Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm just sharing a very simple way to automate your X account. Every day you get on X and you see followers or people like this that have 2,482,000 followers, and they're using these same exact steps to automate their profiles. And if you go through, you'll see where they post 5, 6, 7, sometimes 20 times a day. And they're not just sitting on here, they are automating this process. Now, this customer right here, he sells books. This one right here sells a newsletter, but you get the idea. You can sell pretty much anything using these if you set up the niche that you want to do. So you can sell digital products, ebooks, online courses, templates, affiliate marketing if you want to promote your business or service. You can get some brand deals if you get enough followers, and this can apply to anything. You can go to the accounts, flip them. You can use their revenue sharing program, but basically I'm just going to execute this workflow real quick, and then I will show you exactly how it works step by step. And if you join my school community, you will be able to go to the classroom, click on that very first video there, grab the file template, save it, and import from file, and it will look exactly like this right here. But I'm going to execute it first. I'll show you that it works, and then from there you will be able to walk through the process. So right here, 5 hours ago, we see that I posted. I've already tested this out a few times, so I know it works just fine. But I'm going to execute the step. All right, and just like that, it's posted. Now it's also set up on the schedule, so every 6 hours from now, it will post again. So if you look right here, 13 seconds ago, it posted. So for this one, I just did modern manifestation. All right. So after that 6 hours, I'll just show you what this looks like. There's a JSON file in here that randomly picks a number after that 6 hours, and it posts. That is also available in this step 1 right here in the school community. So that will be available in that description as well. But okay, next step is to configure the influence profile. So you're going to have your niche, your style, and your inspiration. So if you go into step 2, just copy all this. I'm going to go over to ChatGPT, and then I'm just going to fill it in with exactly what I want it to be about. So in this case, manifestation, the key figures in the space. So we'll do Dispenza, and then we'll got and Mel Robbins. All right, so everything else, I'm going to let ChatGPT fill in the rest of this stuff. So the content style, personal stories, things like that, I'm just doing modern manifestation, and I'm getting it to get a couple of people as its influential people, and it will fill in the rest of this. Okay, so after that, you come in, you copy this, and then you insert it into your value here for your niche. You're going to do the same thing for your style. Come in, copy it, and then put it in your style. You're going to do the same thing for your inspiration. Basically, it's very simple. Just copy and paste exactly what it gives you. Now, step 3, we're going to generate the tweet content. So I've already put in the copy and paste outputs there. So very next step, it's going to have your system prompt. So basically, this is where you are going to hook up your ChatGPT. In this case, that's what I use. But you're going to hook up your AI account. So you'll go to new credential. So you'll need to grab your API key, which I've left a link right here to get to that API key. It's going to be on this one. So in my case, I'm going to create a new key. Let's put manifestation key. And I'll put create key. So then I copy the key. I come in here. I paste it. And it will be connected. So then after that, we're going to go to resource text. We're going to message a model. I'm using GPT 4.1, but You could use other models if you want to. They don't cost as much. You can use 4.0. 4.1e would be another one that I would grab because that one's pretty cheap for how much you get for it on the tokens. So I've got you are a successful modern Twitter influencer. Your tweets always go viral. I've included that right here. I've also included the next one with your JSON prompt. So what this prompt is going to do on the next one is you have a specific writing style. So whenever you copy and paste this in, it's going to take the style that's right here and it's giving your ChatGPT basically what you put it in. This is exactly how I want it to tweet out. So if you didn't have this, JSON prompt already highlighted here, basically you paste this and you come and drag it just like that. And it's going to take what it was written in your configuration that you did, and it will say, okay, this is what I'm messaging ChatGPT. This is exactly what I want. Now it's just taking what you have from your influencer profile here. But we're going to continue going down here. So the next prompt is our inspiration. So you follow the principles described in your inspiration sources closely, and you write your tweets based on that. So that is just basically your JSON prompt, and you're inputting right there. So in this one right here, for me, it was books written by a couple of manifestation influencers in the space, and that's what we're going to use. Now, you have a very specific niche. So this is this specific niche that I wanted to talk about. So I put that in. Again, this is copy and paste right down the line. Now, the next one is answer with a viral tweet and nothing else as a response. Keep the tweet within that 280 character limit so that way it always posts and it checks out this current time and date as well. Gonna copy that just like that. And then the next one is write a tweet that is certain to go viral. Take your time with it. Think. Use a vast knowledge that you have. Now, for me, I did not want it to use emojis or hashtags, so I made sure to emphasize that here. But if you wanted to have it input those, then you could. Just don't include this. Now, I've simplified the output. I wanted it to return as a JSON output, so make sure that those two are checked. And then after that, it will configure the tweet and generate it. And now we're going to make sure that the tweet that it generates, so whenever you click execute step on, if you were to do this manually and execute the step, it's going to give you that output. It's going to give you a tweet right here. So on the next step here, with it validating between or trying to make sure it's under 280 characters, it's going to give you all your input on this side right here. So you just come through and drag it right there, and it will test it to make sure that it is under 280 characters. Now, if it was over 280 characters, it would show up as true right here, and it would come through, and it would go and repeat the step until it was under 280 characters. So keep regenerating until it had one that was under. As far as getting your X account set up, you will need an API key with that. Now, it is free to 15 posts or up to 15 posts every 24 hours, I think is how much they do on the free one. But in order to get that, what we'll do is you'll come over here to the developer, and in this case, it goes, let's click on it here. It will go to your account, to your API account. You're going to go to your portal. And for this one, I connect my portal up here. You got to authenticate your settings to make sure it has read and write files, and then it's going to give you a key. So it'll give you a client ID, and then it'll give you a secret. So you just copy and paste those into right here, save it, and it will connect the account. Now, once it's connected, final thing would be to create a tweet, and you're going to take this right here. This will be your JSON prompt, and it will take that tweet and execute the step for you. So that's where you end up with your tweet. Now, whenever you come into the school community, it's going to do all this for you. It's going to set everything up. It'll already be filled in for you, so you won't have to do anything except connect your ChatGPT and your X account. Now, As far as your profile goes, you will have to input this in yourself if you want it for your specific niche, because right now it's going to have exactly what I have for mine. But for you, for your sake, for whatever your niche is, whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to create, you just fill it in exactly how you want it. So you're going to take this copy prompt right here and you're just going to fill it in with the information that you would like it to output. Now, that comes down to you and your creativity. So yeah, that's it for today. So if you like simple automations like this, give me a follow and join my school community. And if you have anything that you'd like me to build for you, let me know in the comments or in the discussion on the school community, and I will make sure to make a video and show you exactly how to do it. All right, y'all have a good one.